power of defensive driving, a life-saving skill for modern roads. Defensive driving, a method that emphasizes anticipation and preparation to prevent accidents, has increasingly become recognized as an essential skill for today's drivers. Recent studies have shown that defensive driving techniques can significantly reduce the risk of collisions by up to 50%. This approach not only saves lives, but also minimizes injuries and financial costs associated with road accidents. At its core, defensive driving involves being aware of potential hazards and reacting in time to avoid them. Drivers are trained to maintain safe following distances, anticipate the actions of other motorists, and stay vigilant about changing road conditions. These principles help create a buffer zone around vehicles, giving drivers more time to react to sudden changes or mistakes made by others on the road. Experts argue that incorporating defensive driving courses into standard driver education could lead to safer roads nationwide. Organizations like the National Safety Council advocate for mandatory defensive driving training as part of licensing programs. Such initiatives could play a crucial role in shaping responsible drivers who contribute positively to overall traffic safety. With increasing traffic congestion and distracted driving incidents on the rise, mastering defensive driving is more relevant than ever before.